Hi there. Are you concerned or curious about how artificial intelligence can transform your business, but you don't know where to start? Stay around. In today's video, I'm going to show you practical AI applications that you can start using right now in your business without any technical background. And by the end of this video, you will have the actionable strategies and tips to boost your business productivity, reduce costs for your business, and stay ahead of the competition. As someone who is deeply passionate about artificial intelligence for beginners, I remember when I first started out on artificial intelligence, I was overwhelmed with the jargon, but I quickly realized that you don't really need PhD in computer science to be able to leverage artificial intelligence technology in your business. I have worked with startups and large corporations, and my mission is to bridge the gap between technology and business growth. Today, I'm going to share my experiences and walk you through practical, easy to implement AI solutions that can drive real results for your business.
Let's dive right into the 3 AI applications you can start using today in your business.
The first application of artificial intelligence that you can start making use of today is AI for customer service. Do you know how much time and energy businesses use or spend on responding to their customer complaints and inquiries? But guess what? With AI-powered chatbots, you can automate up to 80% of these interactions by providing instant and 24/7 responses to your customer. Tools like ChatGPT and Dialogflow, which I'm going to walk you through, are excellent starting points. Not only do they improve customer satisfaction, but they free up your team to focus on high-value tasks. So let's get into the walkthrough of ChatGPT and Dialogflow and how you can make use of it in your business.
Here is a practical use case of AI for customer service. Basically, when we are talking about AI for customer service, you are trying to input a large language model that has been pre-trained with a lot of data. But specifically for your use case, you are now trying to add specific document that contains the frequently asked questions that your customers might want to ask. So when you feed that in, it's called retrieval augmented generated model. So when you feed that into the large language model, you can then serve as a chatbot to your customers. So whenever they ask questions, basically on whatsoever is the area of concern concerning your business, you can easily respond to. They can easily be responded to automatically because you've already anticipated whatever questions they might be asked, put it in form of a document and feed the language model. So this is a practical use case of AI customer service for AI for customer service. As you can see now, look at this one. It says, does your product comply with? Now this is able to respond. As you can see, this is just a practical, scenario of what is AI chatbot. So then the AI chatbot will sources those documents you are feeding and then give a response to the customer. So, and a lot of companies uses it, right? And so it's easy, no code setup. So you don't have to be a technical person to be able to use this platform. Quickly ingest your business content, like I mentioned, with our seamless no-code website integration and upload your files. Then from there, you'll be able to deploy your custom chatbot that customers can use, and you can embed this chatbot into your website and all of that. Then you can see use cases, customer service, customer engagement, document research, and look at the costs. It's $9. Is this enough for you, right? And so this is just a practical use case. So you can I'll put the link of this in the description below so you can read more about how these work. You don't need any technical person to help you set this up. Just going through this document, you can set this up yourself and make use of it. So look at the features there, upload document up to 1000, build from sitemap, and it support multiple languages, right? So with this now, it's going to be citing those documents. I don't want to go into the details of AI, generative AI, because these are technical jargon about AI. But basically, I'm just trying to show you that there are platforms you can use to apply to your business, and then they deliver the results. So you can just check this out. I'll put the link in the description below for you to check out.
Every business generates tons of data, but most of us don't know how to use it effectively. With AI-driven data analysis tools, you can uncover insight, predict customer behavior, and make better decisions. Tools like Microsoft Power BI and Google Analytics AI features helps you to visualize your data without needing advanced data analytics skills.
All right, so this is AI application for data analytics, and one of the platforms that you can use to get that happen is Power BI. So it helps you to uncover insights and turn them into impact, right? So this is what a visualization of your data could look like. This is a sample of what the visualization of your data could look like. Basically, so that's just basically Power BI, and the account you just, for proof, you can even just $10 per month and you will start visualizing your data. So this the second application of AI for data analytics. So I'll put the link in the description below so you can check it out yourself.
Imagine being able to send personalized emails, run targeted ads, or even schedule your social media posts without lifting a finger. There are AI tools like HubSpot and Hootsuite that can help you automate your marketing effort and give you time to focus on what really matters, which is growing your business. Let me walk you through how HubSpot and Hootsuite look like and see how you can get started using it today.
Here is a typical use case of AI for marketing. So basically, Hootsuite is one of them, which helps you to manage all your social media marketing and automate them. And basically, you just go and rest, right? So Hootsuite is something you can try, right? You can automate virtually all your activities on social media across all the social media platforms. So you can schedule your post ahead of time, right? You can AI content creation, social listing, social media analytics, best time to post, and of course all of that. And you can just do that, use this platform to automate your marketing efforts, right? So this is the pricing, right? It contains a lot. Contains a lot, so you can check it out yourself. And it can start with the $99 per month, and you can connect across all the social media platforms and manage it from one end, as you can see. So it's something you can make use of, right?
Now, I know that AI can sound intimidating, but here is the beauty of it. These tools are designed to be very simple. You don't need coding skills or expensive resources to get started. The key is to start small, experiment, and see how AI can solve the specific pain point in your business. Remember, AI is not just for tech giants, it's for every business looking to grow smarter, not harder. You have the power to unlock new possibilities. So tell me in the comment section, what AI application are you most excited to try in your business today? Let's start a conversation. If you find these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an opportunity to learn about the latest tech solution that you can apply to your business. By subscribing, you are joining the community of forward-thinking business owners who are transforming their businesses with AI, and you will get exclusive content and insights that I will only share with my subscribers.